Yeah.
Why you wanna vex with me?
Yeah.
Next day you wanna have sex with me.
Yeah. X did a good job with the what they call it again, the hook door. Yeah, they want to breathe for me. My body like that ecstasy, you see me? X did a good job with that. No cap right there. X always did a good job. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekejt here and I am back with another video. Now this video is reaction to X, what's it called? This song just came out. X new music video featuring Mavado aka Gully God straight out of Jamaica, and who else is there? Tory Lanez. I don't really listen to this dude, but anyways, Mavado in it. Like X had a song with Cartel. Well, I see why that music video didn't come out, because Carter is in prison, X passed away. But this one, Mavado the road. Mavado is not in prison per se. I gotta speak standard English. Anyways, guys, subscribe to the channel, smash a like, and leave your thoughts about the music video in the comments. And yeah, support a Jamaican channel, isn't it? Let's get straight to the reaction. No long talking. Subscribe, like the video, like the video, like the video, like the video, like the video. XXXtentacion Hot Gyal. It's called a Hot Gyal, people. Official music video featuring Mavado, Gully, God, and Tory Lanez. Let's get straight to it now. Oh wow. Oh wow. I see ladies already. Each time I see the booty cheeks, oh. For all who said my sky cherry was empty in the past video, it is not empty. It's just a little tip in it because I only sip it when I make videos, okay? Anyways. So much shakala. Alright, ready, video. Mavado the word, Mavado's not the word boss. Sorry, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. You all see the concept of the video so far, you see me? It's like it must say X has passed away and he's in heaven now, because basically you see the ladies, the beautiful ladies, they are in the angel fit, having the wings and everything on point, and you see X is actually in the clouds. You know what I mean by in the clouds? The clouds are the formation of X picture. Anyways, hey, y'all want to breathe for me. So far it's go on good. Ladies don't stay good already. Ready?
Why you wanna vex with me? And next day you wanna have sex with me. Late night, get a leg going down. Charlie like the way that nigga dig it down. Heard a nigga come home with my drugs. I'ma make the pussy in the sun.
Whoa, hold on. Gully God, me see her coming, Gully God, but that lady. Gully God, me see Gully God coming, Gully God, but that girl that did that talk to me a while ago, so I go to Gully God. Bam bam. Roll on there.
Next day you wanna have sex with me. Late night, get a leg going down.
Yeah.
Charlie like the way that nigga dig it down.
What's she there? No, what's she there? No, see her there? What go on, babes? What go on? You know when I play foreplay? Oh my gosh. I should just up like a little fairy they feel. You see me as a little angel they feel. See better right so. Anyway, ready. Gully got to jump in now, so Gully got the pan. Wait. Tyrekejt speaks standard English. Mavado is about to jump in, guys. Mavado is about to give his 2 cents in the song. Let's get it. Yo, Gully God. Hold on, they go what I'm wearing, man. If you don't get a pair of these, you're not saying nothing. Anyways, Gully God there. Got you. Yeah. Bring it, come and make the yard man stab it. Yeah, guys, don't really get mad at me for pausing the video that much. Stopping the video that much. You understand? You don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube and thing. So you have to just give 2 cents and comment. And go through. Anyways, forward. No. She want the D and a Tyrekejt have it, Mavado, not you. Me want have it, not you. Me. She want it and me have it. Even when my God them want me love. I can't sing like Mavado at that, but this basically this is a throwback to when Mavado was like, you know, starting days, the kind of vibes them bring to the music video. I feel the music video, the song overall, you understand me? It got a long time Mavado vibes. But Mavado never really changed too much either, you know. But it just back. Can remember him song them, you understand? Back, remember some of them all sang them. But anyways, watch you. I don't know why, I'm not a big Tory Lanez fan or whatever his name is. But I ain't gonna be saying too much on here because Dax. Anyways, I was just about to say no, I'm not stop. I must stop. Go through, hold on.
Some say the best sex come from back stress, and I need to just fling up drawers and red dress. She have all call up me, say alone text messages, stressing at me, I break up the frame in the bed setting it.
You see all them something, you know? You see all of that people? You all say you can't really understand when us Jamaicans start. I didn't understand that. But anyway, let's go through the video, see, you understand? See it look more like Sky because I'm not even going to replay that scene, that verse or whatever. It's not empty. The last person come out with some bucket empty. It is not empty. Ready. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. So I really, honestly, this song don't really go that hard. You know, like when Cartel, you have Cartel, you have Nicki Minaj, and you have X. I know Nicki Minaj, how did they on it? Oh, actually, I have to remember what they did on the song, you know. Royalty. Who was on Royalty? But you have Beer Man Marley, you have Cartel, you have X. Who else was on that song again? Stefan Dan. Jano, that was a wicked song. This one didn't really go hard, but I was scrolling and I see Mavado and I'm like, wait, XXXtentacion and Mavado, click. You understand me? But Royalty, officially, Royalty did better than this anyway. But go through anyways, go through. Yeah. 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 X did a good job with the what do you call it again? The hook door. Yeah, they want to breathe for me. My body like an ecstasy, you see me? X did a good job with that. No cap right there. X always did a good job. And he wasn't really trying to like sound like Jamaican in this song. You understand? Well, he has a Jamaican family background, whatever, yes. But he wasn't like overdo it in this one, like he did in Royalty. But anyways, go through. Yeah, that's basically it. Anyways, RIP X. Juicy WRLD passed away 2 days ago. RIP Juicy WRLD. You're like, what the legends gonna die young? 21. Anyways, it's been about Tyrekejt. Peace out, subscribe for more videos from your boy. Support a Jamaican. You see me I say? And guess what?